This is a very important and urgent message to President Donald Trump, to the United Nations, to the members of US Congress, to the European Union, and all other international organizations. My name is Arfat Erkin. I'm an ethnic Uyghur. My father, Erkin Tursun, he got sentenced to 9-year prison earlier in March by Chinese government, just because of me studying in the US. My mom, Gulnar Telet, she is in one of the concentration camps, along with other 3 million Uyghurs, Kazakhs, and other ethnic East Turkestanians. I came to the United States in 2015 with my student visa to pursue higher education. All I wanted was to get my degree and back to my homeland. Yet, in 2016, Chinese government started to arbitrarily detain Uyghurs in large scale, putting them into a prison-like facilities called re-education camps without any charge, any trial, or any judicial process. Their first targets were Uyghurs who traveled or studied abroad, and the prominent figures of Uyghur society, and the relatives of them. So I lost all contact with my family since then. In less than 2 years, Chinese government have imprisoned around 3 million people in those concentration camps, still without any charge, without any trial, and without releasing any of them. I don't remember when was the last time I heard my parents' voice. My parents, just recently, from a friend of my father's, from a Kazakh friend of my father who fled to Kazakhstan, I have confirmed that my father sentenced to 9-year prison and my mom is in concentration camps. My father, a former teacher, TV producer, journalist, is serving in prison, suffering because of me. My mom, segregated from outside of the world, a former math teacher, is also suffering because of me, or just because of she's an Uyghur. 80 years ago, after the Allies stopped Nazis from their attempted ethnic cleansing, mankind made a promise that they will not allow this to happen again. But right now, I'm witnessing the same thing in the same scale, yet world did not take any action. It's already been 3 million people. Just how many more people need to get imprisoned to stop them? And they are not the only one in my family who get imprisoned. My mom's sister, Gulcekre, she's also in concentration camps. My cousin, Ilzat, is in prison. And I have at least 11 of my relatives are either in prison or in concentration camps. Chinese government have took all of Uyghurs' family as a hostage to keep us silent. By breaking the silence, I am endangering the life of my family members. My parents, whose life already ruined and suffering in concentration camps or in prison. I ask United States government, United Nations, and all other foreign governments to take immediate action to stop this brutal attempted ethnic cleansing. Please, it's been already 3 million people. Or at least, please, keep your eyes on my parents. Chinese government is notorious for their taking revenge on the Uyghurs who spoke out. Thank you.